Alright guys, check this one out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set. This one here is a 8 top 8 bottom, 925 solid sterling silver, guys. This is real silver. It's the full set. Now this is handmade from a impression of the customer's teeth, so it's designed to fit perfectly, guys. This is made by hand, handmade. Okay, I'll show you the back side. Basically, it just snaps right on the teeth. You see, snaps right on the teeth. No mold, silicone mold required, like on a pre-made. Now this is a custom fitted, so it snaps right on, fits like a glove. All right. Well, there it is, guys. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.